Good day, guys. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Hope you guys are doing good. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to become consistent and how to learn Forex for free, right? I want to show you the most powerful tools or strategy or information or whatever you can call it that you can use to learn Forex and become consistent, right? A lot of people take it lightly, but then if you can just rewatch the videos, go to your charts and check out the results, you will be amazed. Okay, let's start with the strategies, right? So first thing first, you need to subscribe to our channel, which is YVNT, right? This is where all the nice information is shared, right? We share information at a weekly basis. So if you can just subscribe to our channel, this is where you're gonna get all the information. That's the first thing you need to do, And then what you can do is we also have an academy where we teach people how to trade Forex. We have two courses with the beginner course to advanced, and then we have an advanced course. So the beginner course is $350. You are welcome to pay in two terms where you can just pay 60% in the first month, and the second month you can pay the rest of 40%, right? The advanced course, you need to pay in full so that you can start learning, right? And it's about $250. You can just check out on our website. It's linked on top, or you can just click on there, YVNT Academy. Follow one of those social medias. You will get all the information you need. You can even send us a DM. Send us a DM or email. This is WhatsApp, Twitter, Instagram, and so on. So let me get to the video. So where do you start? Let's say let me go to the playlist, right? Go to the playlist. So if you started learning Forex, but you don't have enough money to buy our course, right? What you can do is you just subscribe and then you start watching our videos. Just keep on watching our videos. Just keep on watching our videos. That's when you're gonna start picking up new things, and then that's where you're gonna start learning how we trade, right? It's not very into detail, but at least it's a foundation to take you somewhere. It's a foundation to get you somewhere, and then that foundation can even make you money, right? And then if you want to make more big bucks, and then you can just make money by our course, right? Which is more like free money to buy the course. Hope that is making sense. So let's start with okay, if you want to learn more about our academy, you can just come here. This is the YVNT Academy. So let's start with where you want to start. First, you want to start, if you don't know nothing about Forex, but you just want to start learning, this is where you start, right? This is where you start by our market structure series. This is where we help you identify market structure, how to identify the market structure from part 1 to part 3, how to trade a ranging market. So we show you all those different markets and how you can trade them, right? So you can just come and watch these videos, make notes, watch these videos, make notes, and then if you have any questions, if you have any questions, you can just drop them in the comments and then we will assist you. We'll just get back to you. And then let me just close this. And then once you're done with that, this is where you want to go, right? Learn risk management. This is the most powerful video you will find on YouTube about risk management, the power of 1-to-2 and 1-to-3 risk ratio. Everything is explained in this video. You can just come watch this video, make some notes. If you have any questions, you can just type them in the comments, right? Don't forget to subscribe for more videos that's going to be coming out. We're always willing to help. Switch that off. And then this is where, and then after that, you can go to strategies, right? You can go to strategies. And this is where you're going to find 4 videos that we're explaining different strategies that you can use within the market. So you can just pick the one you want. We have our VIX strategy, we have NASDAQ strategy, we have USD strategy, we have the synthetic strategy. So everything just made simple, right? You just need to rewatch, apply, rewatch, apply, rewatch, apply, right? So this is what is going to help you and then you just go back after watching this, and then you go and apply. You're going to be able to have an idea of what to do next, right? So let's go back, and then after you're done with the strategies, the market focus. For those that are already in the market, struggling to make profit. Let me just pause this, sorry. Struggling to make some profits. This is where we share every week what's coming up. This is where we share every week what's coming up. And then once you're done watching these videos, you can just go watch our Friday sessions, right? We host Friday sessions with our public members. Anyone is welcome, to come and learn how you have caught the trades that we send out on Sunday, and then also answer some of the questions that you guys have. So Friday sessions, this is where we go into detail regarding all those setups that we send out on on Sunday, right? Which are the market focus videos. So make sure that you watch these videos. And then if you have any questions, you can just comment below, and what are the videos? Just watch all the playlists, man. If you don't have a mentor, this YouTube channel is your mentor. This YouTube channel is going to help you become consistent, right? And then it's going to help you make money that's going to be enough to buy the course, right? So just make sure that you come to our YouTube channel, subscribe, and then just watch. Too much valuable information, right? So everything that's here is Forex related, lifestyle, So we even do our breakdowns of how we caught 190 pips on US 30, how we banged 240 pips on gold, So everything's shared, the befores and after, the befores and after. As you can see here, this is the after of the gold that we took 2 months back, smacked more than 100 pips on gold, all of these things were shared in the public group. Also make sure that you join the public group so that you can get the public group members are the first ones to get the links before it goes on public. So yeah, before it goes out on YouTube. So you guys watch it first before other people, right? So we always take care of our fans and our subscribers, right? So if you turn the notification bell, the same time the public group get the link, the same time you're gonna get the video. So make sure that you subscribe, make sure that you turn the notification bell, and make sure that you start it. This is your mentor, right? This YouTube channel is your mentor. This YouTube channel is going to help you become a better trader, right? If you're watching this today, by December, if you can just invest your time, you're gonna come back and say, YVNT, thank you so much. Cheers. See you guys on the next one.